Well, we're ready to start plating our dinner now. The steaks are just gorgeous. They're completely as perfect as can be. And I actually, rather than putting a big hunk of steak on the plate like they do in Florence, I actually like to slice it thinly and then put it on the plate, because that way, these days people don't eat 1.5 pounds of meat, but they will eat a good amount. So this is just perfect. It's medium rare, more towards medium. I think because it's a hot day, it might have cooked more. But I really wouldn't take it off the pan under 120. That's about as low as you want to go. That's really a nice color for the beef. Okay, so when we put the meat on the plate, the steak, I just like to overlap it nicely. And I usually give people approximately 6 ounces. If they want more, they can have more. Then the next big step is to finish it. And finishing is really with extra virgin olive oil and some finishing salt. Finishing salt is salt that is really, really fine salt. Now, I do use a French salt called Fleur de Sel. It's very coarse, and I'm sprinkling it on here just for a little jolt of flavor. And then a word about extra virgin olive oil. Okay. This olive oil came from San Gimignano, which is in Tuscany and in Italy. My husband and I went to the vineyard where the olives were, and this is some of the finest olive oil that you could bring home with you. It's really kind of nutty and a little peppery, and all you have to, but anyway, like Julia Child, but in case you don't know, Julia Childs was a fabulous cook. You just drizzle a little bit on the steak, and that adds to the flavor. And then a little bit of pepper. Don't let people do their own. If they want more later, fine, but you really need to finish it just like that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we'll put on some of this delicious Parmesan polenta, which has really gotten nice. And see the Parmesan? Just make a nice little mound on the plate like that. And you can let people salt and pepper it for themselves at this point. And then some nice vegetables. So I would just start off giving people 1 of everything, maybe 2 of everything. But this is really a nice assortment. And then just to add a little bit of color for the plate, I just use a little bit of the fresh basil. It looks so fresh and beautiful. And I just take the corner of a towel and wipe off the plate. It's ready to go.